Warm welcome to all of the dignitaries, delegates, and dear students for this international webinar on role of social services in COVID-19 situation. It gives me an immense pleasure to welcome you for this international webinar which is jointly organized by the Anjuman Islam Janjira Degree College of Science and Vasantrao Naik College of Arts and Commerce. Both colleges are from the Murud. So it's a warm welcome to each of you who is participating in this international webinar to the Murud first. So I would like to introduce to Murud. What is the place Murud? Because it is international webinar, so it is my duty to say and introduce about the Murud. I would like to say that Murud is a very beautiful place. I would like to say that Murud is present. Murud is a city and it is a municipal council in the Raigad district in the Indian state of the Maharashtra. It is about the 150 kilometers from the Mumbai. So this is a topographical location of the Murud, but you can see the beauty of the Murud in this slide. Murud is a beautiful place. It is a tourist place. Murud is placed on the Arabian seashore. It is rich with the flora as well as the fauna. So it's my duty to welcome to all of the dignitaries in the Murud. In the Murud, we are having a very nice fort over here that is known as a Murud Fort, and in this Murud Fort it belongs to the King Nawab of the Murud. Then we can see over here the very historical place in the Murud, and that is a fort in the Murud, Janjira. So this fort is present in the sea on the island, and it was about the 1880. It was established in the 1885, and you can see here the third largest cannon is there on the fort of the Murud. So this is a glimpse of the Murud fort. Here you can see the third largest cannon in the Murud, which is called as a Kalal Bangri, and it is a very beautiful, marvelous palace of the Nawab of the Murud. And a very bounty of the Murud we can see over here, that is a very nice Datta Mandir is there in Murud, which is a devotional place for the Murudians. The bounty of the Murud is of course the beautiful beach of the Murud, and that's a Murud is about a very rich in the natural heritage. And I'm very proud to say that we are from the Murud, we both the college from the Murud, and on the behalf of this Anjuman Islam Janjira, again it's a warm welcome to everyone. I would like to introduce about the Anjuman Islam Janjira. This Anjuman Islam Janjira is 130 years old heritage rich educational society. On this event of the international webinar, you are warm welcome to this Anjuman Islam Janjira Educational Society, and very privileged to say that this gate was constructed about the 113 years previously. It is a historical place. Now let me introduce Nawab, King of the Murud, who was the patron of the Anjuman Islam Janjira, and who established this education society about 113 years previously. This is a vision of that king. Now the Anjuman Islam Janjira Educational Trust is having about the 14 educational institutes. It is having about the 5,000 students and over the 250 teaching staff is there in Anjuman Islam Janjira. This Anjuman Islam Janjira presently run by, these are the office bearer of the Anjuman Islam Janjira. Honorable Irfan Shah sir, President of the Anjuman Islam Janjira. Honorable Naziri sir, he is working as a secretary of this society. Honorable Abdul Rahim Kable sir, he is he joint secretary. Honorable Altab Malik sir, he is working as a treasurer of this society. And Honorable Khanzada sir, he is a vice president and he is a president of the Murud Halka. We are having the 4 other dignitaries from the Anjuman. One of that dignitary is Honorable Kadri sir, he is a chairman of the college CDC. We are having Fateh sir, he is one of the member of the CDC. We are having a very dignified member, Imran Malik sir, and the another dignified member, the best sports person is nothing but Ismail Sheikh sir. So this is all about the Anjuman Islam Janjira Educational Trust. I would like to welcome to the Anjuman Islam Janjira Degree College of the Science, Murud Janjira. This is one of the hosts of this today's international webinar. It is one of the this college established in the 2009-10. It has accredited by NAC very first time by B grade and the CGPA is a 2.35 and it is the only science college in the Murud Janjira, Murud Taluka. In the 2019, these are the some of the highlights of the college. The college published the international research paper in this previous years, 48 international papers. The students achieved the national level award 4, state level award by the students about the 22. Then we are having the university level awards 6 and then we are having the district level awards about the 15. So this is how the achievement, the major achievement of this Anjuman Islam Degree Science College is that it awarded as a best college award in the 2019-20. So 3 cheers for this college and it gives me immense pleasure to welcome all of the dignitaries in this international webinar on behalf of this college. Now we have to introduce about the Konkan Unnati Mitra Mandal Education Society. You all the dignitaries again welcome in this Konkan Unnati Mitra Mandal Education Society. This Konkan Unnati Mitra Mandal Society was established by Barrister A.R. Antule sir. Barrister A.R. Antule sir was the Chief Minister of Maharashtra State. He established this education society to be known as a Konkan Mitra Mandal Education Society, and he established 2 colleges, one in the Murud, other in the Masra, and interestingly, dedication for his guru, that is Vasantrao Naik, he named both the colleges as a Vasantrao Naik Arts and Commerce College Murud and Vasantrao Naik Arts and Commerce College Masra. Such a veteran person with his visionary zeal, he laid the foundation stone of the Konkan Unnati Mitra Mandal. We have to bow our heads in front of the Barrister A.R. Antule, who was Chief Minister of the Maharashtra. He was Union Minister of India. He was a son of the Konkan. So because of him only, there was the establishment of the Konkan Unnati Mitra Mandal, that is Honorable late Barrister A.R. Antule sir. This is a list of the MCs or the office bearer of the Konkan Unnati Mitra Mandal Education Society. I would like to say about it. We are having the Honorable Mushtaq Antule sir as the chairman. Then there are presence of the Ashok Talwadkar, trustee secretary, Vandana Vichare, Neelam Antule, Rajendra Desai, Obed Faki, Dilip Deherkar, Deepak Patil, Mohammad Antule and Ali Antule. These are the office bearer of the Konkan Unnati Mitra Mandal. These are the CDC members of the Vasantrao Naik College, Honorable Mushtaq Antule sir, Honorable Ismail Gole sir, Dr. Vishwas Chavan sir is the principal, Mr. Subhash Mahadik, Mrs. Vasanti Umrodkar, Mr. Yogesh Vichare, Miss Aarti Gurav. These are from the dignitaries, these are the office bearer of the College Development Committee. Let me introduce, this is a great personality who is a present chairman of the Konkan Unnati Mitra Mandal, Honorable Mushtaq Antule sir. Honorable Mushtaq Antule sir was also minister, you can say the former minister of the Maharashtra state. He is a great personality. He is well-known educationalist. He is well-known socialist. He is well-known politician and veteran leader of the society. Because of these great persons, education institutes serves or the cater the education in the entire Murud Taluka. Now let us have a vision on the Vasantrao Naik College, Murud Janjira, which is another host for the international webinar. This Vasantrao Naik College in the Murud established about the 30 years previously. It is also re-accredited by NAC and it is having the CGPA 2.26. It is Arts and Commerce College. It is having a very beautiful building, and these are the three dignitaries, these are the three office bearers of the Vasantrao Naik College. One of that President Mushtaq Antule sir, other the brain of the VN College is Advocate Ismail Gole sir, and the administrative head who is in charge of the institute is Dr. Vishwas Chavan sir. So these are the introductory points of our colleges and our Murud. Now let me take an opportunity to just welcome the resource person. We are having the first resource person, keynote presenter, none other than Dr. Atul Salonke sir. He is a principal of the C.D. Deshmukh College, Roha, and presently he is a state liaison officer of Maharashtra. The second distinct personality is there for the today's chief guest. We are having the chief guest, Honorable Dr. Dilip Patil sir. He is a director of the DLLE of Mumbai University. And the third very distinct person, well-known socialist, well-known lion Rajesh Mehra sir. So very big hand and very big welcome to these dignitaries. And of course, we are having the more than 117 delegates overall from the country, and besides that, it is my privilege to announce that we are having the delegates from the Turkey, we are having the delegates from the Saudi Arabia, we are having the delegates from the Australia as well as the Canada. Means from these four countries also we are having delegates, and it is in real sense international webinar. We are having the delegates from the India. In the Indian states, overall about the 12 states participated in this webinar, and students of the various colleges are also participating in the webinar for their thought sharing, for their research paper, and they are also taking part for the presentation of their research or the review on this role of social services in the COVID-19 situation. Very warm welcome to all of the delegates from the bottom of heart, and let us turn over to the next program, and that is nothing but a inauguration of this international webinar. Thank you very much.